What's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing just amazing today. I just showed you two ways to play Money by Pink Floyd, at least the beginning part right there. And I'm going to show you all that part too in a second. But the first one is probably more real to the record. The second one, I use my thumb for sort of like a beginner version. And this song's in 7/4 time. That's what makes it pretty difficult. And we don't have any time to waste. So let's go in B minor. You're in B minor. And the part goes like this. 2nd fret of the A string, 4th fret of the G, D, and back to the 2nd fret of the A, 2nd fret of the low E string, open A string, 2nd fret, back to open, and then 5th fret of the A string, and back down the 2nd fret. So go. Like that. Practice that a couple times. That, and you're going on, not really palm muting, you're more like releasing this finger at times and making sure you just stop the strings to get that staccato feel. The simpler way to play it is play a B minor and do it with your thumb. If you can put your thumb on the 2nd fret of the A and E string, sorry, low E string right there, and then put this finger, if you can, just sort of lay it down flat on the 4th fret of the D and G strings right there, and so you're doing that, and it goes the same notes. I haven't even moved my finger, check that out. So then you hit the open A string, just remove your thumb a little bit, put it back on the 2nd fret, back to open A, and then instead of even worrying about that 5th fret right there, you hit the open D string, and you're back in to the 2nd fret of the A string. So all together. That. Now, if you want, after that, I'm going to show you two ways to play the next part. It goes F sharp minor. This is a simple way, just chords, and then go down to F minor to E minor, and you're in 4/4 time right here. Like that, to B minor, and if you want, right there, you play a B minor, take those top two notes of the B minor and go, just bring them up from the 2nd of the E string and 3rd of the B string and go up 2 frets like that. Now, another way to do it, the more complicated way, is to go like this. Very cool. So 4th of the D string 3 times, 4th of the A, 2nd fret of the low E string, open A string, 4th fret of that A string, and open again, and then walk it down from 4th, 3rd, 2nd of the D string, and now you're in E minor, so go to the 2nd fret of the A string, open E string, and then 2nd fret of the E, open A string, 2nd, back off, and back to the 5th fret, and back to B minor. All right, I did that crazy fast. You're gonna have to put it in slow-mo and rewind and pause that thing right there to learn all the key notes, but it's a super fun song, especially with that 7/4 time. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you around. See ya.